Thikũ inya mbere ya githurano kinene gutabanio na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC nithiete na mbere guikara cemba hari kuhinyiriria wihariria wao hari gutigirira githurano giukite gitigakorwo na ucuke o wothe. Muthenya wa ira IEBC niragerekire uigiririku wa macini cia kiriu cia KIEMS iria ikahuthika hindi ya githurano niguo gutigirira gutigakorwo na ucuke o wothe makiria hari maumirira maria makarekererio ni IEBC. Macini cia KIEMS nicio ikahuthika gutuma maumirira ma giturwa kia mutongoria wa bururi kuria arugamiriri a IEBC ceceni-ini cia utari wa kura ciothe cia ubunge magatuma maumirira mothe kuma icigo magana meri ma mirongo kenda ma ubunge guku bururi-ini.
The packaging is taking place in the respective warehouses or stores. That's at the constituency level. So I can say in terms of preparedness, we are okay. We are doing very well.
In any system, at any point, we should have challenges. But as far as we are concerned, our systems that we have now are 98.6% working perfectly. So we are really hoping that they will not be facing any challenge when the polling day comes.
KIEMS ikahuthika hari kuonania uigiririku wa gutabania githurano. Undu uria hotithitie IEBC kweheria nganja ciothe ingikorwo ho ciĩgiĩ utabania wa githurano kiri na uigiririku. Undu uyu ugiukorire githurano gitigitie thikũ inya gutabanio, IEBC igithie na mbere gukinyiriria mari cemba kung'ethanira na undu wothe ungiyumiria hindi ino ya githurano. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.